video, and we're going to be doing knots at night. So basically, if you watch the first one that I did, I'm basically going to go through town to see what a nightlife is saying and knots. So good vibes only, boys, you know, good vibes only. Come on, it's better with the exhaust, but at night time sounds mad louder. Very dangerous, boys. Are these are gonna like pink slip or what? So yeah, we're rolling, boys, we're rolling. Ah, boys, just pops and everything, nastiness. I can't lie, that it's just not even been touched. All I did is just change the exhaust, and she sounds like this, boys. I'm loving it. Green light. Hello, hello there, brother. Stress, fam. No, this is mocking it now. Bro, very dangerous. Bro, it's stressing. Oh, nastiness. Wow. Yeah. Just do a Yuri, boys. Oh, boys. Oh, brother, road ahead closed, very dangerous. For who? Brother, oh Lord, what's going on here then? Mad. Stress. I thought you could go that way. Well, it's fully blocked off. Unless these lot got a way to go that way. Oh man, what's she doing? She's driving up. Can I go that way then? If these lot going that way, I don't know if you can or not. She'll risk it for this. Oh, got here, Teresa. Oh, that's the dingers as well, bro. Oh, why? Can't you go that way either? Stress, boys. Stress, 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 stress. Stress. Don't be scared. Oh, where's that Donny got that tracer though? Why is that Mimi just pulled up like that? Gotta look out for the boys, you know what I mean, boys? Nah, I reckon bro just looking for a spot to pull up. this is a flop then, because there's certain ways I want to go, I can't even go that way. Brother, not very good. Whoa. Alright, we're going for the tunnel. It's got to be done, right? It's got to be done, boys. Oh, traffic, but good thing we're on the bikes, boys. Don't be scared. Don't go anywhere. See, now I got exhaust, they can hear me, boys. They're dangerous. Hello there, mate. Oh yeah, bro, just pull up middle of the road, yeah? Sound. Fell over then. Oh shit, I'm on the wrong side of it. Bro, shot. Can't lie, man, but I will let you go through, but I've clocked, I was on the wrong side. I was zeroed. Sorry, my French. Oh, brother, where you going, brother? Oh, this guy's got a green light. Brother, green light, brother.
Alright, mate.
Brother, green light, brother.
Yeah, go on then.
What if I was an Uber driver or something? Woo! Nastiness, boys. I want to go this way. I don't even know. Well, we're going this way, boys. It's gonna go for L Cruise, boys. L Cruise. Oh, whoa, brother! Woo! Nastiness. I can see some blue lights. Brother. Oh, brother, who's chipped your moped then? Alright, my friend. Bro just looks stressed. Brother, good luck, brother. Oh, boys. Very dangerous boys. Boys, listen to how good she sounds. good, boys. Oh my god, boys are there as well. Oh my god, stress. Absolutely stressed. Boys. Brother, I am following the boys now. Oh, yeah, they did it on purpose, didn't it? They're trying to get to see man's plates and that. So many boys out today though. Boy, it sounds so good. I've got no map on it, nothing, apart from just a full Delkovic exhaust on it. So it's crazy because, like, you know, it just sounds good. Alright then, my people, I'm gonna end this vlog here. If you liked it, like, share, comment, subscribe, all the good vibes. Check out the other videos. You will like them. You will like them. If you're a bike person, you will like them. So subscribe.